While humans may not possess the remarkable regenerative abilities of some animals, like starfish regrowing limbs or salamanders regenerating entire body parts, our bodies are capable of more renewal and regeneration than we often realize. From the potential of stem cells to the surprising ability to regrow certain organs, the human body's capacity for self-repair and regeneration continues to fascinate scientists and offer hope for future medical breakthroughs. The power of stem cells. At the forefront of regenerative medicine are stem cells, the body's most flexible and adaptable cell type. These remarkable cells can differentiate into various specific tissues, much like how a Pokémon's EV can evolve into different forms based on its environment. In the world of medicine, stem cells offer the potential to heal or replace damaged tissues, whether from trauma, disease, congenital abnormalities, or aging. Types of stem cells. Embryonic stem cells, ESCs. These cells offer the most potential due to their extreme plasticity, capable of becoming any tissue or organ in the body. However, their use is limited by ethical concerns and sourcing difficulties. Mesenchymal stem cells, MSCs, harvested from adults. MSCs avoid the ethical dilemmas associated with embryonic stem cells. They can differentiate into bone, muscle, blood vessels, connective tissue, and even liver cells. An unexpected source. Menstrual fluid. In a groundbreaking discovery, researchers found that menstrual fluid contains mesenchymal stem cells with remarkable properties. Faster cell division. Menstrual MSCs double their population in just over 19 hours, compared to 2 to 8 days for bone marrow stem cells. High plasticity. These cells can differentiate into at least 9 different tissue types, including neurons, liver cells, fat, and bone cells. Therapeutic potential. Studies have shown promising results in treating conditions such as stroke, Alzheimer's, diabetes, and liver dysfunction in animal models. This discovery not only opens up new possibilities for stem cell research, but also offers a renewable and ethically uncomplicated source of these valuable cells. Organ regeneration in humans. While we can't regrow entire limbs, the human body does possess some impressive regenerative capabilities, particularly when it comes to certain organs. The liver. A regeneration champion. The liver stands out as one of the most remarkable regenerating organs in the human body. Capacity. A healthy liver can regenerate after losing up to 2/3 of its mass. Speed. In living liver donors, liver function returns to normal within a month, and full mass regrowth occurs in less than a year. Limitations. While impressive, this regrowth is not true regeneration but rather compensatory hyperplasia. The regrown tissue doesn't exactly replicate the original liver structure, which limits the feasibility of repeated donations. The mysterious case of the spleen. The spleen, often considered an optional organ, demonstrates some surprising regenerative abilities. Accessory spleens. Prevalence. 10 to 30% of people are born with one or more accessory spleens. Formation. These occur when embryonic spleen tissue buds don't fully link up during development. Function. While smaller than a normal spleen, accessory spleens can provide some residual function if the main spleen is removed. Splenosis. Cause. This occurs when spleen tissue is dispersed in the body following an injury to the spleen. Location. Spleen tissue can reestablish itself in various parts of the body, even distant locations like the brain. Function. While not as effective as a full spleen, this tissue can provide some spleen-like function. Recent research has identified stromal cells that act as spleen organizers, potentially explaining the organ's regenerative capacity. Understanding this process could lead to developments in lab-grown organs and regenerative medicine. Comparing human and animal regeneration. While humans have some impressive regenerative abilities, we pale in comparison to certain animals. Salamanders can regrow entire limbs, with cells at the wound site transforming into a wound epidermis that triggers a cascade of regenerative processes. Starfish, capable of regenerating entire arms. Flatworms. Some species can recreate their entire body from a single adult cell. The key to salamander regeneration appears to lie in specialized cells called macrophages, which release chemical signals triggering the undifferentiation and regrowth of cells at the wound site. Limitations of human regeneration. Despite our body's impressive healing abilities, we face several limitations. Teeth. Unlike some animals like sharks, Humans can't regrow multiple sets of teeth. Our specialized tooth shapes, while beneficial for diverse functions, come at the cost of regenerative ability. Hair color. While we can't regrow lost teeth, there is hope for reversing gray hair. Research into melanocyte stem cells and their movement patterns offers potential future treatments for restoring hair color. Scar formation. Unlike salamanders, human wound healing often results in scar tissue rather than complete regeneration. Future prospects and research directions. While we may not achieve salamander-like regeneration anytime soon, ongoing research offers exciting possibilities. Improved wound healing. Understanding animal regeneration could lead to faster healing with reduced scarring in humans. Organ regeneration. Advances in stem cell research and our understanding of natural regeneration processes could improve organ transplantation and potentially lead to lab-grown organs. Hair color restoration. Treatments targeting melanocyte stem cells could offer non-invasive ways to reverse gray hair. Targeted therapies. Better understanding of stem cells and regeneration could lead to more effective treatments for various diseases and injuries. Conclusion. While humans may not have the awe-inspiring regenerative abilities of some animals, our bodies are capable of more renewal and regrowth than we often realize. From the liver's remarkable ability to regrow most of its mass to the potential of menstrual stem cells in treating various conditions, the human body continues to surprise researchers with its capacity for healing and regeneration. As we continue to unravel the mysteries of regeneration, both in humans and in the animal kingdom, we open doors to new possibilities in medicine and our understanding of biology. While we may not be regrowing limbs anytime soon, the future of regenerative medicine holds promise for improving wound healing, organ transplantation, and treating a wide range of diseases. In the meantime, we can appreciate the subtle yet impressive ways our bodies renew themselves daily, from the constant regeneration of skin cells to the liver's ability to bounce back from damage. These processes, often taken for granted, are testament to the resilience and adaptability of the human body. As research progresses, who knows what regenerative abilities we might unlock in the future? While we may not achieve the regenerative prowess of a salamander, the ongoing discoveries in stem cell research and regenerative medicine continue to push the boundaries of what we thought possible in human healing and renewal.